All right, folks, here we are. Once again, we bring to you what?
What?
A lot of excitement, you can tell. We bring to you Adventures RX. Good morning. Hi. All right, let's go. We are headed out the door this morning to Juniper Dunes in Pasco, Washington. And that is our dog in the background. She knows that we're going riding. Nala, no. She is not happy with us. And we are headed out. We're going to stop by the grocery store, pick up some sandwiches, some Gatorade, a little bit of ice, and then swing by the gas station, fill up our jerry can. But we are ready to rock and roll. We got both of the quads and the RZR with us. This will be the first time riding the dunes. Did it when I was a kid, long time ago, but first time my kiddos. And show you guys kind of here. We're all loaded up, ready to go. So we got the RZR and we got both the quads, and we are set to be a good time. So we are going to make a few stops, hit up probably Ritzville on the way there, grab some breakfast, and get ready for a good time. So we will catch up with you guys at our first stop, probably in Ritzville. All right, so here we are. We're back again. Yep. All right, what he said. So we are here actually at Juniper Dunes. We kind of spared you guys the excitement of stopping at the Ritzville gas station. There was a whole lot of absolutely nothing going on. So we're here at Juniper Dunes in Pasco, Washington. It's pretty cool. It's hot out here. I think it's 82 or 83 degrees, and it is warm. There's not a breeze at all. Makes it even worse, but we're having a good time. Our rigs are definitely not set up for dunes by any means. We don't have paddles on any of our units. Just regular stock tires and stuff. So far so good. This area out here has got some soft spots, but there's a lot of trail that's a little bit harder packed for rigs that aren't set up for strictly dunes. So we've only been here maybe, I don't know what, 10 minutes, 15 minutes at the most. So we're gonna kind of tool around, see what we can find, maybe some hill climbs, get some footage, and kind of go from there. If you guys have questions or comments about this area, drop them in the comment section below. And like always, do what?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. And do what?
Like and subscribe.
You guys are
Thumbs
so
up.
motivating. All right. Here we are, folks. Right, let's see what we got behind us there. try that. I'm gonna try this hill climb real quick. Not that one. This one.
Want me to record you?
Sure. Got it. All right. You got an all-wheel drive? Let's go. Make it happen. Go, go, go. Yeah, he's got it. Woo! All right, Lily, you're up. That's got way more power. Just do the same thing. Put it in high.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Well, then I don't know how you're getting up there.
You want to get me up there and then I'll go ride with you and you're side by side?
That means I have to walk all the way down. Just do it. Go up that one. Go up that one. Here, let's go. We can do doubles on it. It'll make it up with both of us on there. It'll be easy. Here.
What?
Hold the camera.
What?
Okay, keep it rolling. Jump on.
Oh. What? I'm not going on it.
Yeah.
No, I'll drive on that one.
Huh?
I'll go on that one.
Just jump on here with me. Okay, then I'll come back down. Where are you going?
What's he doing?
Record him coming down. I guess. Well, then that's fine. He's coming down. Let's go to this. Slow down.
Do you want to go up it in the four-wheeler then?
I'll go up in the four-wheeler. You're coming up to the top, but that's fine. That's fine. I'm going to go up and I'll turn around and come back down. I'll meet you back down here. Just don't go anywhere, okay? Ready? It's not bad. All right.
So you said when it goes black, it doesn't stop recording, right?
Right.
Okay.
It just
went
goes.
black for a while.
Okay, that's fine.
Making sure.
50, doing some work in the sand. Tired? It is hot. Try whatever. You're okay. Yeah, hold on. I think everybody's having a good time though. It is warm. Still having a good time. Thankfully there's not too many people out here, so it's kind of nice. Well, I'm good. So I need an honest kid's point of view, no filter review of Juniper Dunes so far.
Good. I feel like, I don't know, good.
Yeah. I mean, if you don't like it, you don't like it.
No, I do like it. Yeah, I do like it.
Cooler, just too hot. Yeah. It is. I agree. It is warm. It is warm. But overall, not too bad.
Yeah, not too bad at all.
I don't think we've gone
too.
to.
It was definitely what I was expecting. So.
Yeah, I think there's a lot more places for us to go and check out too. It goes quite a ways from what I know. But we're gonna stop and have some lunch, and here back at the trailer, regroup, maybe throw some more sand before we end up loading up and heading back home. So for us over in the Coeur d'Alene area, it's about a 3-hour drive from here or to here. So a little bit further than I thought for just kind of a few hours of riding, but this way we were able to kind of know what it's like, and maybe come back here towards the late fall, early winter time frame when it's a little cooler, maybe even some light snow on the ground or something. I think this place would be pretty cool when it comes to that point. So it'll turn into a whole different type of playground. All right, chow time.